guys, it's me, Hagen Shows, and today I am unboxing two orders from GI Brick and Toy Wiz. And let's start with my tiny GI Brick order right here. As you can see, it's so thin. It's supposed to come with only one thing. Because for one of my orders, I didn't get a vest, so I think they shipped it to me. Shipped one to me. Oh, perfecto. Oh yeah, here's my order, guys. It's all peanuts. Obviously, it's all peanuts. Oh, I even get a freebie too. That's nice. So I got an American vest and a pink M16. That's my baby sister. I have to watch her. Let me open it up. Still a little nothing. Yeah, it's just a vest right there. And a little pink M16 for my freebie. And for my main big order, big and puffy. Oh, that's a big order. Look at all that good stuff. Look at all that big good stuff. Alright. So we got all of that good stuff in there. Oh, let's see. Wow, the bull, over 2 weapons pack. I got a bunch of good stuff right here. A lot of stuff in there. Put it over there with my other orders. And right here is all of my good stuff. I also got a machine gun, which I really wanted. Oh, I see my freebies in there. See my freebies. Definitely out all of it. Just dump it. Dump. Just for a better view. Just a second. So I got a bunch of stuff. Look at all of this good stuff. Oh, I don't know what to start with. I guess I'll start with what looks like my freebies. I got 3 freebies. I got an orange energy sword thing. Yeah, I know. That's a car card. This is like a purple alien gun thing. And then, like this electric claw or something. I don't know. And then right here, got a bunch of vests. I really don't even know what they are. I'll have to look up them and then put them up. Got a bunch of helmets and other good stuff. So right here, I got a bunch of vests. Don't know the names of most of them. I got a couple British and a couple Americans. Put all that right here. And, oh my god, I think I got like 8 brown monopods, and I don't even need these. I got so many monopods. Why am I getting so many? Yeah, that goes vroom vroom. That goes vroom vroom. Then right here, that's a Sten gun in black. Just assemble that really quickly. Comes with the main body and the ammo clip, which goes on the side. Oh, there we go. I've been in a lot of trouble lately, so videos might be a little more uncommon. Yeah, that's definitely the sound of a car. I mean, like, definitely. Darn it. Oh, here it is. Okay. Okay, here we go. Sten gun. Got a Sten gun right there. Got my World War II weapons pack. But right here, I got the British gunner pack. Which comes with like a helmet and a machine gun and some other good stuff. Yes, Matilda. Well, all my viewers already know that that's your name. Wait, this doesn't come with the... Wait. Where's the ammo clip on the top? It doesn't come with an ammo clip. No ammo clip on the top. Wow. Just Wow. I'll have to message them about that, but come on. A Louise gun? With no clip. That's not nice. And then a little ammo clip back there. Then a combat survival knife. Then right here is a German gunner. I got a lot of these things. I just think they're so cool as an addition to your army. You got a bag in a bag. Awesome. I have too many Germans. Right here, got a dark gray Stahlhelm. Put that back there. C96 Mauser. Another knife. That's in gunmetal. MG34. I prefer the MG34 over the MG42. I don't know why, but I just really do. Oh, she's going to take my stuff now. She loves to take helmets. Matilda does. Here's an MG42. Now over here is my, what is it called again? Oh, I forgot the name. Battle of the Bulge weapons pack, but I'll open that later. And then, to topple off that is a US gunner pack. Come on, get out of there. Get out of the package. Come on, helmet. You're making a big obstacle. Oh, she's going to take all my vests. Yes, those are mine. You don't need to touch those. And right here, my US helmet. There. Got another one of these ammo clips. And gunmetal. Got a grenade. Got a 1911 pistol. Another knife. And then in 1 grand. Topple it off. Oh, come on. Yes, that's a Star Wars poster. So I just have the M17A1 weapons pack and this. I think I'll start with this. Battle of the Bulge. That's what it's called. Got a bunch of good stuff. Definitely worth, I think it's like $20 or something. I know you think that my baby sister being here might be a little annoying, but I'm actually glad because I'm not supposed to have electronics. I'm not supposed to really be doing this. But we got a lot of weapons in this pack. Starting off with the Browning. This is my 3rd Browning machine gun, probably. Sorry I'm doing so much off screen, but that's just how I like to do it. I'm glad my iPad has enough space for this. Oh, I might have to do a part 2. Hopefully not. Right here, got a Browning machine gun, which will go right there. And I got a white Stahlhelm. That is so cool. Yeah, so cool, Matilda. And a helmet. I got a bunch of little stuff right here. I think these are, those are Mark II. You can barely see. Those are Mark III grenades, actually, not Mark II. And they're also in green. Oh, yeah, my favorite German gun, the MP40 hand machine gun thing. Some machine gun. A black bazooka. M24 stick grenade. M6 rocket. Panzerfaust. Knife. Another knife. C96 Mauser. No, I already have. Got a British revolver. Why is a British one there? I don't know. They always get the packs mixed up and stuff. Another M1 Grand. Wait, I have 3 M1 Grands? Oh well. Oh my god. STG 44, which I don't like. Another M6 rocket. Another M1911. Another PO8 Luger. Another stick grenade. Another Tom. Oh, I don't have a Tommy gun yet. And an M1 carbine in black. Oh, I don't got one in black yet. Don't remove that gun. Yes. Oh my God. Good job, Matilda. All the guns stuck. Oh well. Tried to make it all organized. Please do not take all this stuff. Right here I got a World War II weapons pack. Please stop pouring stuff everywhere, Matilda. Yes, it's a pink M16. Suits you very well. Okay. Here we go. It's open. Let's move all that stuff out of the way. Don't put those in there. Right here. Don't do that, Matilda! Ugh. I know you think you're having fun, but you're just messing everything up. Now for the weapons pack. Make sure everything stays in place. Yeah, I got another card. World War II weapons pack. Oh, you're not leaving. Don't you think about leaving, Matilda. There's guns and knives and everything everywhere. But I got a bunch of stuff right here from the weapons pack. Let me focus on that. To start off with, I got this M1 Grand. She's playing with Kiefer's iPad. My brother's iPad. M1 Carbine. Any other American guns in here? No, not. Onto the Germans. Got an MG42. She's like, here, help. She's like, here, I'll help you. I'll pour everything onto here. I'll probably be reviewing stuff that I didn't even. Here, right here, I got an MG42. That. And I got another Stahlhelm. I have